Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your Apple devices. Today, we're tackling a super handy topic: how to get text messages on iPad in 2025. If you've ever wished you could seamlessly chat from your iPad without constantly reaching for your iPhone, you're in the right place. This feature is a total game changer for productivity and convenience, especially with the new updates Apple rolled out in 2025. First things first, make sure your iPad and iPhone are signed in to the same Apple ID. This is the foundation for all the magic to happen. Head over to your iPad's Settings app. It's that gear icon on your home screen. Scroll down and tap on Messages. Here, you'll see an option for iMessage. Toggle that switch to turn it on. If you haven't already, you'll be prompted to verify your phone number, which ensures your texts sync properly. Now, for the fun part. Open the Messages app on your iPad. You should see all your recent conversations from your iPhone pop up automatically. In 2025, Apple has enhanced this with smarter notifications and even AI-powered message suggestions, making your chats more intuitive. If you're dealing with SMS texts from non-iMessage users, enable the Text Message Forwarding feature on your iPhone. Go to your iPhone's settings, tap Messages, and then select Text Message Forwarding. Choose your iPad from the list, and follow the on-screen instructions to pair them. One quick tip. If things aren't syncing, double-check your internet connection and make sure both devices are updated to the latest iOS version. This avoids any hiccups and keeps everything running smoothly. And remember, for the best experience, keep your devices close during the initial setup. There you have it. You're now all set to send and receive text messages directly on your iPad. This setup not only saves time but also makes multitasking a breeze. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Apple tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.